Here's the easy way to edit PDF files with Desygner. First, import your PDF files by clicking and dragging. Now to customize. With Desygner, every element of your PDF becomes individually customizable. From the wording, the size, even the fonts themselves. If it's there, you can change it. And that's why even the images become placeholders that can be switched out with the click of a button. And if things just need an update, you're always free to import your own images to keep things fresh. Any change is just one click away, so enjoy the freedom to get creative. There's no telling what amazing things you might come up with. Now, all that's left to do is download your file for free. It's that easy.